Hello everyone, welcome to MJP channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install VLC media player in Windows 10. First, we can open any browser and type VLC media player download. Okay, download for Windows 10. Okay, we choose this one, videoline.org. Okay, when you go into that, we see the download VLC here. The current version is version 3.0.12. Click download. Click here on the left hand side, it is started downloading. Okay, it has completed download. Right click, open folder. Open folder. Okay, just run. Double click on it. We will minimize the browser, and it will ask us, do you want to allow this app to make changes to the device? Press yes. Minimize it. We'll minimize this browser as well. So installation language English, select English, click OK. Then this is the setup, Windows VLC media player setup. Okay, click next to continue. This is the general license. Okay, please go through it. This is the license agreement. Read this license agreement. Click next to continue. Okay, next click next to continue. By default, it will be stored in C program files, videoline/VLC. Okay, if you want to change to other folder, you can change it as well. Then click install. It will start installing the software. Okay, if you want to look at details, there is a show details button. Press on it. It will be very faster. Within like 1 minute, it will be able to complete the installation of VLC media player. Okay, completed VLC media player setup. The setup has finished. You can please click the finish button. Okay, you can see an icon on your desktop. For the first time, it will open up the privacy and network access policy. Just go through it, and network access privacy, it will keep the default as it is, and press continue. Okay, this is successfully we have installed the VLC media player. To play a video, go to media, open file. Okay, just check any. I'm going to show you a example. Okay, example music video. there is no backgrounds on this one. We'll open one with the backgrounds now. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much guys for your time. In this video we have learned how to download VLC media player and install it successfully. Thank you very much again. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to MJB channel. Thank you guys. Bye for now.